back-to-back misses. Richie Rivera could not buy a basket from downtown.
And no one stepping in front of Noko. He is absolutely on fire.
Phoenix went up to as many as 9 points.
And finally Rivero.
Yes, a 3-point shot by Richie Rivera.
The numbers, the points, rebounds, assists can all be there, but if there are no wins to accompany them, then all taken by Rivero. He's running, gets past the initial defender. Naibigay kay Hazul. 3 on the way. That's good. And ang Rain or Shine humihingi ng traveling violation on Rivero, but they don't call it. At hindi mo na mare-reverse yan. So, they gotta move on to the next play. That's 11 points now for Hazul.
Ayan, samantala ito yung hinihingi kaninang traveling violation. Nagtuloy-tuloy lang yung pasa. It was a play on as far as...